Good evening, everybody. Today's topic is hostel life versus home life. Hostel life sometimes it's good for student. In hostel, student grow their study. In hostel life, student independent. They are disciplined, manage their time. If I talk about disadvantage of hostel life, it's not good for some age child like 10 or 18 years. 18 years children most wanted their family atmosphere many times. Many parents enroll their children in hostel in small age. That time children did not know how to wear a proper uniform, how to wear whose people good for good for
Good for them.
good for them. Home life is good life. Children wake up late, and that time parents don't punish their child. They teach only how to save your time. Uh, uh, children demands anytime their favorite foods, and parents cook their favorite food. And rather than if I talk about hostel life, this facility is not available for that time children. Thank you.